Now I'm going to review about the best dishwashers on the market. At number 1, Koldfront PDW60EW dishwasher. This is a dishwasher that comes with a rinse agent dispenser fitted in. It also comes with a pre-fitted water heater which will make sure no bacteria is left. It also features a heavy wash cycle which ensures your dishes are thoroughly washed. The automatic dispenser reduces water spotting and makes sure cleaning is done efficiently. The dishwasher comes with 6 place settings alongside a dish rack, cup holder and a cutlery basket which provides adequate spaces for dirty dishes. This dishwasher is also very easy to use even for a beginner. At number 2, SPT Countertop Dishwasher. Weighing less than £50, this is one of the units with the lightest weight you will find. Its interior is made from stainless steel to ensure durability, and it comes with an exterior made of elegant silver. This beautiful design will ensure this dishwasher fits into any kitchen. As a result of its light weight, it's not difficult to move this dishwasher to a storage when it's not in use. This unit can be set up with ease and can be quickly linked to any faucet which averts unneeded plumbing. At number 3, Koldfront PDW60EB dishwasher. This is a versatile dishwasher which comes with a host of settings which make it very efficient for getting your dishes clean. It can be set up without hassles. It's because of the 5-foot hose as well as the quick connect adapter. The design is also of high quality and it is certain to last you for a long time if maintained properly. This unit also comes with a cutlery basket, dish rack as well as cup shelf. You can get to enjoy a warranty of 1 year after purchasing this unit. At number 4, EdgeStar Countertop Portable Dishwasher. With its height, just a little above 17 inches tall, this dishwasher can perfectly fit in most kitchens without seeming out of place. It does not require any permanent installation. This unit aids in saving you energy because it makes use of just 200 kilowatt hours every year, which is around 61% less than other similar units. Aside from saving energy, this model does not waste much water, and this can save you lots of money on energy bills. At number 5, Magic Chef MC-SC D6W3 Countertop Dishwasher. This unit features 6 place settings with the capacity to accommodate plates, sized up to 10 inches while having extra space for skillets. The large interior capacity is as a result of the interior space being ergonomically divided into numerous compartments, alongside a basket solely for utensils and knives. This unit comes alongside a fast setup kit so you can place the parts together with ease. This means setting up is not difficult even for anyone. It also features an LED display which always lets you keep track of everything.